New business, new BOIR. My name is Leon Jones Jr., and I am the managing attorney here at Big Rock Legacy Law Group. Today, I'd like to talk about the BOIR, or what's commonly referred to as the Beneficial Ownership Information Report. I believe there are three factors that every business has to consider relative to this report. Number one, it's mandatory. This report is mandated by the Corporate Transparency Act, which was enacted in 2021 and it went into effect on January 1st, 2024. It requires that certain entities have to file this BOIR with the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, or FinCEN, with the purpose of increasing business transparency, and it makes it harder for illicit activities like money laundering and terroristic financing. Number two, you have to consider the penalties associated. For companies who do not file the report or they file it late, there are civil penalties, and those penalties could be up to $591 per day for each day the report is late. There could also be criminal penalties, up to $10,000 in fines and up to 2 years in prison. Filing. The report rules are broad, covering a wide range of entity types. Generally, if you have a US-based business entity formed or registered with the state, or a foreign entity authorized to do business here in the United States, you have to file your BOIR report. Businesses required to file these are corporations, your traditional corporations like your C corporations or S corporations formed under US state law, limited liability companies or LLCs, whether it's a single member or a multi-member formed or registered in the United States throughout the individual states, or similar entities like LLPs, limited liability partnerships, limited partnerships, and certain statutory trusts. Foreign entities are required that are registered in the US and they are authorized to do business here. Now, there are some exemptions to those who are required to file this report. So banks and credit unions, because they're already subject to rigorous reporting requirements. Also, publicly traded companies like the US Stock Exchange, they already have disclosures that they're already overseen by the SEC, and nonprofit organizations. Many charitable and nonprofit entities are exempt. So check with your attorney or tax accountant. So I hope this video has helped you have a little bit better understanding of the BOIR and why it's important. Give us a call here at Big Rock and let us help you file it today.